guy in front of me right now is bugging the fuck out. I don't know if you can see how jerky the truck is, but he's like jerking around in the seat. Look at this. Where's it go? He's a Volkswagen tech. Oh yeah, look at this. Waits till our light turns green, then jumps out and makes a right turn into the left lane. He goes, where's it? I'm not here.
There's so much. He just had a divine spirit. Like you could see he was a special person. And he was, you know, I don't expect everyone to get that. I saw a lot of people on Twitter, I know they didn't get it.
Oh my God, is this a joke?
It angers people to see people be forgiving sometimes because they can't wrap their head around it.
There's a bus stop every 4 feet.
The victims in these situations, whatever it is that makes you get to that place that you need to get to is wonderful.
At the end of my road, I do what I do.
The wheels are coming off, ladies and gentlemen.
Staples is more than a place you go to buy a printer.
It's where an associate explained the difference between an inkjet, a laser jet,
sailing,
and a super tank printer
up,
in a way I could understand.
So we're in traffic. For once, we were moving, but the sun's up, so now traffic. Because people can't put down their visors, put on their sunglasses, and keep their windshields clean. So, this is what we deal with. We come to a complete stop for no reason because the sun is up, and then we'll move once people's eyes adjust. It's unreal. The rain's traffic. If it's sunny, traffic. If it's a day that ends in Y, traffic. This is life on Route 80. Unreal. God, I got good brakes. Big brakes for the win. You gonna get on your side of the road or what, lady?